The mighty warrior Arjuna stands at the threshold of war, his heart heavy, his hands trembling. Before him, stretched across the battlefield, are those he loves, teachers who once guided him, friends who once stood by him, elders who once blessed him. His soul quivers in sorrow, his purpose lost in the storm of emotion. Dropping his bow, he turns to Krishna, his charioteer, his friend, his divine guide. How can I strike them down? How can victory be sweet when it is drenched in the blood of my own kin? I will not fight, O Krishna. My heart is weak, my mind clouded. Tell me what is right. Krishna smiles, his gaze steady, as he speaks words that pierce through Arjuna's despair like rays of the morning sun. Arjuna, you grieve for those who are eternal. The wise do not mourn the passing of bodies, for the soul is neither born nor does it die. Like a traveler who changes garments, the soul sheds the body and moves on, untouched, unbroken, immortal. The warrior listens, but his doubt lingers. Even if the soul is eternal, how can I raise my sword against my loved ones? How can I bear such sin? Krishna's voice deepens with wisdom. Your duty as a warrior is to uphold righteousness. To fight for justice is not sin, but honor. But listen, O Arjuna, for there is a secret path. Act, but renounce attachment to the fruits of your action. Perform your duty without desire, without longing for victory or fear of failure. This is Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. The words sink into Arjuna's heart like seeds in fertile soil. Krishna continues, the wise walk the path of equanimity, unshaken by joy or sorrow, loss or gain. Like the deep ocean remains unmoved by the rivers that rush into it, the enlightened one is untouched by desire. When one renounces cravings, the mind finds peace, and in that stillness, the highest truth shines. Krishna's words are like a beacon in the fog of Arjuna's despair. Slowly, the warrior's vision clears. He sees this war is not merely of arrows and swords, but of the self against delusion, of wisdom against ignorance. The battlefield is not just Kurukshetra, it is the soul's eternal struggle between fear and truth. With newfound clarity, Arjuna grips his bow once more. His doubts do not vanish, but his heart now holds a deeper resolve. He will fight, not for greed or power, but for duty, for righteousness, for the path that leads beyond victory and defeat. Thus begins the sacred journey, not of war alone, but of the soul's awakening.